Hello and welcome back to another new video of Cracksoid. Today in this video I'm going to give you the review of newly released Android 12 ROM. The name of this ROM is Project Elixir, which is running on latest Android version 12. I have installed this Project Elixir on my Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Also, this ROM is available for all Mi Atoll devices like Redmi Note 9s, Redmi Note 9 Pro, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max and on Poco M2 Pro. So let's get into the video. This is Project Elixir, which has Android security update of October, and talking about kernel version, pure perf kernel is used in this ROM, and of course this ROM is based on latest Android 12. As many of you wanted to know about Antutu benchmark score, so here you have the Antutu benchmark score of this Project Elixir is 348886, which is far better score than MIUI stock ROM. Also, I haven't rooted this device and checking about safety net status, it is passed. And talking about camera, there is Camera Go available as default camera. This is the lighter version of Google Camera. Google Camera as the default camera is the best thing to have in any room, and there is no any issue in this camera. Camera works perfectly. Also checking about Play Protect certification level, device is certified as well. The performance of this ROM is really good and you can experience better smoothness in this ROM. This is how quick setting panel looks like. This is typical Android 12 quick setting, which have separate Wi-Fi, internet and mobile data, and there is power button attached on quick setting tiles, but there is no any advanced reboot option available. There is new wallpaper and styles available with selective accent colors. You can choose between wallpaper and basic colors. You can select between 4 accent colors and apply any one of them, and accent colors are auto adjusted according to the color pattern of wallpaper applied. Dark themed icons and app grid are also available in it. Now let's talk about security and passwords. You can apply pin, pattern and fingerprint, but sadly there is no any face unlock option available for now. But later on further update that will be available too. You can enable Wi-Fi and hotspot at the same time. Also on-screen recording, device audio and microphone recording option is implemented. Now talking about features on setting sections, there is private TNS mode, and on app section there is gaming dashboard. And from battery section you can enable or disable battery percentage, also battery uses, battery saver and adaptive preference options are available there. And on display setting, some features like adaptive brightness, dark theme, font size, night light, colors, etc. are available. And at last, on system setting, gestures option is available where there is 3 buttons and 2 buttons navigation are present. Soon on further update, I guess this 2 button navigation will be removed. And other features like one-handed mode, press and hold power button and swipe to screenshot are also available in this ROM. And on phone dialer, there is no auto recording option present. So this is all about Project Elixir ROM, which is based on Android 12. This ROM feels smooth while using. Battery backup of this ROM is also pretty good, and you can use this ROM as daily driver. If you want to use Android 12 ROM which is smooth and give good performance, then you can consider this Project Elixir ROM. On further updates, some more Android 12 features will be added in this ROM, so you can consider this ROM as your daily driver. So this is all about my thoughts and review of Project Elixir ROM. I hope you like this video, and if you find this video useful, then like, share, comment and subscribe to our Cracksoid YouTube channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.